The four fundamental forces of nature. What is force? As you sit in front of your phone or computer watching this video, you may be unaware of the many forces acting upon you. A force is defined as a push or pull that changes an object's state of motion or causes object to deform. Newton defined force as anything that caused an object to accelerate. F is equal to m into a, where F is force, m is mass, and a is acceleration. The four fundamental forces of nature are gravitational force, weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and strong nuclear force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force exists between any two bodies having mass. The force between two masses m1 and m2 separated by a distance is given by Newton's universal law of gravitation. F is equal to gm1 m2 divided by r square. Properties. Gravitational force is always attractive in nature. It is a long-range force. It has its range in infinite level. It is the weakest of all forces existing in nature. It is responsible for motion of moon and artificial satellites around the earth, motion of earth and planets around the sun, and motion of bodies falling to the earth. It plays key role in large-scale phenomena of universe such as formation and evolution of stars, galaxies, and galactic clusters. It has a relative strength of 10 raised to minus 39 meter. Some daily life examples for gravitational force. Fruits falling to the ground from a tree, stationary vehicles sliding on a slope, the force that causes the moon to revolve around the earth, the force that causes a glass you drop to fall to the floor, the force that holds the gases in the sun. Electromagnetic force. Electromagnetic force is the force of attraction between charged particles. The range of this force is infinite. It does not need any intervening medium for propagation. Electromagnetic force is attractive or repulsive. When charges are at rest, the force is given by Coulomb's law. When charges are at motion, it produces a magnetic field, and magnetic field gives rise to a force on moving charges. Since electromagnetic force is much stronger than gravitational force, it dominates all phenomena of atomic and molecular level. Some daily life examples for electromagnetic force. X-ray machines, MRI, sticky things like tape or tar sticking to the surfaces, magnet sticking artwork to refrigerators, electric motors. Weak nuclear force. Weak nuclear force appears only in certain nuclear processes such as beta decay of nucleus. In beta decay, the nucleus emits an electron and a chargeless particle called neutrino. It is a short-range force. It is not as weak as gravitational force but much weaker than electromagnetic and strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force is the force which binds protons and neutrons in a nucleus. It is an attractive force. It helps to overcome the repulsive force inside nucleus. The relative strength is 1. It is charge independent and acts between proton-proton, neutron-neutron, and proton-neutron. It is responsible for the stability of nucleus. It is strongest of all the fundamental forces in the nature. Gravitational force, relative strength 10 raised to minus 39, range infinite, operates among all objects in the universe. Weak nuclear force, relative strength 10 raised to minus 13, range very short subnuclear size, approximately 10 raised to minus 16 meter, operates among some elementary particles, particularly electron and neutrino. Electromagnetic force, relative strength 10 raised to minus 2, range infinite, operates among charged particles. Strong nuclear force, relative strength 1, range short, nuclear size approximately 10 raised to minus 15 meter, operates among nucleons, heavier elementary particles. Conclusion. The four fundamental forces of nature are the root of every interaction in the universe. The gravitational force, Weak nuclear force, electromagnetic force, and strong nuclear force are the four fundamental forces that govern how objects or particles interact and how certain particles decay. All the non-forces of nature can be traced to these fundamental forces.